Welcome to GT Races. We are still trapped in the GT. But before we start this video, go over to ARC Garage. If you have any problems with Alfa Romeos, please go there. You will find good videos that will help you solve your problems. And when we talk about why I'm still trapped in the GT, that is because of my sills. 2 days ago, I started with working on the back end of the sills on the outside, and on the right side I had a big hole in the back end of the sill. And when I started to grinding away the rust, I saw that the rust hole got bigger, and I started looking in and I saw that it was full of rust. After that, I learned from you that there's a like 40-50 centimeter long plastic bag with a foam material stuck as a noise reduction in the back end of the sills on both sides, and that makes the sills rust from the inside. And yesterday we took them out by completely removing everything in the back end here. It's completely empty in here because I couldn't have a disco in here. Well, but we managed to take them out. They were in bad condition. The sills are rusty inside, and now I'm looking at what can I do. Of course, an absolutely optimal way of doing something about this is to cut away all the rust, cut away a piece of the sill, take it away, get new fresh metal and weld it back in again, and it will be an absolute premium job. I don't have those skills, and for me to right now get someone who has those skills, it's a lot of money, time and effort. So let's do the second best. That is, I will try to go in and scrape away as much rust I can find and just vacuuming it up. They are dry inside now because I had a heater inside of here like for 24 hours. And after I get as much rust as possible out from the sills, I bought a hollow section wax. And this is of course used to fill the metal hollowed compartments with a wax that is heat resistant, water resistant, rust resistant, resistant to everything. It kills frogs, it kills almost every animal if you come out in nature, so we know it's a bloody good product. So I have 2 cans of this, long straws, and well, there's nothing more. I will start trying to remove rust and everything, and then we just fill them up and then put everything back together. Sounds like a good video. I think it could be a decent video. Of course, I should fix the hole on the outside first, maybe. But no, let's do this first. I will fix the hole later. Yeah, never mind. I know it is not much. I will try with these 2. But it is a little bit hopeless. Let's see when we go down here. You see how it looks? You see how much loose things is in the bottom? But I will try to do the best I can. You see, it's better uphill. No, not uphill. Towards the front, you see the rust is getting much more, not so bad. But the severity is straight down here at the back end. I will try to go down with the camera. And here you see the side that is towards the inside. I had a problem because I couldn't reach into the sill with the vacuum cleaner because I scraped off all the small pieces of rust, and I can't reach in because they're tight. So I decided to specially order a high precision tool straight from Germany. The highest engineers and best engineers of all of Germany has manufactured this for me, so I can reach in. Very good. And of course this super precise instrument needs to be driven by the best motors ever built in the world. and we have that outside. A 40-year-old Volta. I think I have cleaned enough, but it's not perfect in a way. I have to admit, more and more I feel that this is a band-aid to just try to stop the rusting for a shorter time period. And when I have more skill and time, I will probably take and cut the sills and put in new plates. But let's now try with this. The wax, you know, this end has many holes. I don't know how many holes, you can't see it in here. So it's like a star spraying everywhere, high pressure. So it's like I tried it outside, and now I'm waxed, and my fiat is waxed a little bit, and yeah. But we'll try this. We push down in, and then we spray it and try to spray it in some controlled way, all the seals inside. And we need to do it in like 2-3 coats, it says here. 2-3 coats, and 5 minutes before it's dust dry, I think. 2 hours drying in total, I don't know. Never mind, let's just do it, and then we'll see. Is it better than nothing? Of course, I have a particle filter for particles and bad vapors, because I'm an amphibious, so. Yeah, you see, it's really, it's a strong spray. It's very good. I have just done the second layer, because when I look down after the first layers, I realized I have been spraying too sensitive, careful, too light. So now I done the second layers. I just took it down and just pushed the bottom and just drowned everything downstairs in both sills, so they are really wet now of the wax. So maybe I need to wait. I don't think 5 minutes will be enough. I think I need to wait 1 hour at least before I do the third and final layer. It's gone 1 hour now, and when I reach down and feel it's a little bit sticky, but I think it's okay. We can do a third layer, and as I did the second layer, I will go full blow. I will not hold anything back. We just drench it like, I don't know, something bad. Do we have any few famous last words after this video? I have done the third layer of the wax, the rust protection wax, and as with the second layer, I really blew it, so it's like rinning inside, full of waxing things. And hopefully that will be good enough. But now I need, the car needs to be air out for a few hours before it stinks like a whole chemistry lab. So I think I will let the car stove open for a few hours now in the evening before I close it. And tomorrow I will go back and look down and see how it looks. If the layers looks complete, if it covers everything, and if I can leave it at that, or if I do need to do more layers, which I don't want to do any more layers. I want to put everything back in the car and continue working with the car with everything else I want to do with the car. So yeah, but as I said previously in the video, in reality, I think if I want to have this car for 20 more years, I will have to cut her open and take away the rust, because there is rust inside. It's impossible to get it out through a slit that is this long and this narrow. Yeah, but that will be for another day, for another time. Thank you for watching this video, and please watch my other videos and like and subscribe and stuff like that. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.